How to fix Google Chrome lag and crashes on Windows 10. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy and fast. First thing, open your browser. As you can see, this is the home page. Go to the top here, click on those three dots, and then all what you have to do is go to the settings down here, and then go to this reset and cleanup. Click on cleanup computer and then click on find. And after that, go back and click on restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and click reset settings. And now click on system and disable those two options. And after that, after you disable them, you have now the last step, easy and fast. Go back and click again here and go down to more tools and click on clear browsing data, and then all what you have to do is just clear your data from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.